Kasang Voice of the People Party mendagasngi kala be aseng sayo ba syalang wajri. Ubrong kortang Emily jong kaseng napa mairang kasansi hakani election Emily kepada dep. Nalu ba syalang kaseng kala be aseng ru yo ba kher sing thama ubrong working president jong VVP napa mairang circle. Yakani kajing be aseng yakani ki arngot kini ngalam jong VVP napa mairang circle. Asai daw Dr. Kara Chen ubrong chairman jong disciplinary committee bakum juru ba cross parent tiang Urang sekretari jangka disciplinary jangka seng Voice of the People Party. Kadang kabakila ai bela be sengi kini ki angon kalau hadian baka state executive committee rasang perkan yiki kam mira persya sengi jongki hakaba kila le ki bubun ki kam ki bang persya yikir kam baki kam punya kam jong kaseng.